Hello, today I'm going to share a Malay recipe with you. Selamat datang, namaskaram and welcome to Rempah Ratus Kitchen. I'm sure you will all agree that the all-time favorite comfort food is fried chicken. In fact, I don't think that there are many people who do not like to eat fried chicken. In my opinion, one of the tastiest fried chickens is Malaysia's very own Ayam Goreng Berempah. Ayam means chicken, goreng means to fry, and berempah means with spice added. Therefore, the English translation of this dish would be spiced fried chicken or spicy fried chicken. Being a Malay recipe, the Ayam Goreng Berempah is made using herbs and spices like galangal, lemongrass and fresh turmeric. The addition of these aromatic ingredients gives the Ayam Goreng Berempah a taste that is unique to Malay cuisine. It is a taste that you would come back for again and again. So, shall we get started and see how this fried chicken is made? 800 grams of chicken pieces. I have here drumsticks, chicken breast and bone-in chicken thighs. I have scored the drumsticks as you can see. These are the ingredients to be ground into a coarse paste to be used as a marinade for the chicken. What I have here are 1.5 stalks of limau purut leaves, also known as kaffir lime leaves or makrut lime leaves, 3 stalks of lemongrass, 3 medium-sized onions, 20 grams ginger, 20 grams of galangal, known in Malaysia as lengkuas, 20 grams of fresh turmeric, and 8 cloves of garlic. These are powders which will make up part of the marinade for the chicken. I have here 3 tablespoons chili powder, 2 tablespoons meat curry powder, 1 teaspoon fennel seed powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and 1.5 tablespoons of rice flour, salt to taste and oil to deep fry the chicken. Let's start cooking. Firstly, I'm going to cut up the ingredients that make up the coarse marinade. I'm now going to grind these ingredients into a coarse paste. I'm going to grind these on my grinding stone because these ingredients have to be ground into a coarse paste. I feel I have more control over that when I grind this on a stone. These are the coarsely ground ingredients. Let me mix them up well. Okay, that's done. I'm going to add the marinade into the chicken pieces. Massage them nicely into the chicken pieces. The powders go in. These are the ingredients for the smooth marinade. And salt to taste. Okay, give them a good rub down. Mix them up properly so that both the marinades are well combined. There we are. I'm going to remove my glove. I'm back. I'm going to tidy up the sides. I'm going to cling wrap this chicken and leave it in the fridge to marinate for about 6 hours. The longer you marinate the chicken, the better the Ayam Goreng Berempah will taste. If you don't have the time, please try to marinate it for an hour. The best would be to marinate it overnight. But I'm going to marinate in the fridge for 6 hours. See you later. Heat the oil on a moderate heat until it's ready to fry the chicken pieces. I'd earlier forgotten to mention that we will be using curry leaves as well. I have here 6 stalks of curry leaves. This will be used to garnish the fried chicken. This is the marinated chicken pieces. This has been marinating for 6 hours. Let's test the oil. Putting a small piece of chicken. I think it's ready. This, let me taste for salt. Yes, there's enough salt. Now, I'm going to deep fry these chicken pieces. Careful not to overcrowd the quali or pan. Okay, now I'm going to reduce it to below medium. I'm now going to cover this and let the steam in the wok cook the chicken. It's been 2 minutes. Let's just check our chicken. We reduce the flame to low. Let's test the chicken to see if it's cooked. Just take one piece. And I think I will fry it for another minute. I'm going to add the curry leaves now. 3 stalks of curry leaves. Half the curry leaves have just gone in. These curry leaves will flavor the oil as well. So they have a dual purpose. They serve as garnishing and they also flavor the oil. It's been a minute and I'll remove the chicken together with the curry leaves. Now the reason I didn't put the curry leaves in earlier is because I didn't want to burn it. So the curry leaves should be added just a little while before you take out the chicken from the hot oil. Okay, now let's fry the next batch. Is now at medium. I'm going to give it a minute, and then I'm going to cover and let it cook on a lower flame. This is the marinade, the coarsely ground marinade and the powders in which the chicken was marinating. I'm going to put all the remaining marinade into the oil, and I want to fry the remnants or the residue of the marinade. The reason some of the ingredients were coarsely ground was so that we can get these bits of crumbs, all these crumbs that are floating on this oil, so that they enable us to get these crumbs, because these crumbs are the excess marinade. Now I think they are done. I'm going to take them out. Here we have it, Malay spiced fried chicken, part of the Malay cuisine in Malaysia, and it is called Ayam Goreng Berempah. Now look at these crumbly bits. These are the bits, the residue from the coarsely ground marinade that I fried in the oil, and this crumbs known as serdak is to be eaten with the chicken, and it is delicious when the chicken is eaten with this crumbly bits. You can serve this with steamed white rice or as an accompaniment to nasi lemak, Malaysia's most favorite dish. Enjoy. I wish you had been in the kitchen with me to smell the aroma of this fried chicken. You would have noticed that I made this chicken with chicken pieces without the skin on. This recipe is usually made with chicken with the skin on, so it's up to you. You can cook it with skinless chicken pieces or with pieces of chicken with the skin on. I hope you try this recipe at home, and when you do, please give me your feedback in the comment section below. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Until I see you again next week with a new video, thank you, stay safe, and bye.